Hi mga kumarites, good morning. It's me again, Andy. It's a vlog takeover for a while because meron challenge na ginawa ang inyong kumarites na let you guys control her day. So, tara, gisingin natin siya. Simulan na natin ang napaka-exciting na challenge na to. Let's go. Ito guys, akit tayo sa room niya. Tingnan natin kung magigising ba natin ang prinsesa. Hi Aaron, good morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Shit, we need to wake her up for a challenge. Wake her up, wake her.
Wake up, Mom. Good morning, Mom.
We have challenge, remember? Yes. Remember your kumarites control for your day and you need to do breakfast, which is lutong bahay. You can check the kitchen kung anong pwedeng lutuin. Let's go!
Anong ginagawa? Okay, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom and... Oh my gosh. Saan yung slippers ko? Just looking for the chopping board because I don't live here so hindi ko alam kung saan. Saan nila. Oh, ito.
Okay.
Ito ba? Ang late naman.
Where's the knife?
Ito. Okay. Ano bang pwedeng maluto? Oh, what is this? Onion, corned beef, and... Oh, ito. Oil. Of course, you need oil.
So how's your vacation?
Okay naman. So, first I cut the onions and then I'm going to, put oil here. Is it hot enough? Wait. It's a new bottle. Oops! Oh my God! Ano ba yan? It's too hot!
It's too hot in here. Nagkabay sa camera.
Ano ba yan?
Ang ganda.
Umalong na yung camera.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
So now, I'm gonna... This is not my kitchen, not my... Whatever this is. Ano yan? Electric stove. Mumatay ata ako before I even cook my breakfast. Okay, now we're gonna add the corned beef. Do I put the whole thing?
Yeah.
My stew. This is not a sponsored vlog, huh? We're not sponsoring anyone, but Pure Foods, you know what to do.
Wala lang, happy lang yung vlog.
Okay, so now I'm gonna put this in the bowl because I'm gonna cook rice just for you guys. Extra yan, ha? Okay, now rice. Or do I need to put... Okay, I'm just gonna put the rest of the sibuyas. Okay, hindi ko na hinugasan yung kawali, ha? Para pure Pinoy cooking. Oh, ito, salt, you guys.
Yan, konti lang.
Mga kumarites, ano ang mas prefer nyo? Rice or pasta? Comment down below. Hopefully, you guys will choose pasta. Makapagluto ako ng pasta, hindi lang rice. I'll show you guys how I cook my pasta.
Which is my kid's favorite. Oh, di ba?
Okay, guys, I'm done cooking. Let's taste. Let's have breakfast.
As much as possible, guys. I don't want to eat rice on breakfast, but since for kumarites, I'm gonna try this
Masarap
one.
naman.
I'm on a very strict diet with no rice at all. Sarap talaga ng Pure Foods.
Baka naman.
Ha? Baka naman Pure Foods. Ngayon, mga kumarites ni Miss Grace, di ba, may challenge tayo na kung ano yung gusto nyong outfit for the day ni Miss Grace. So, ang napili nyo is yung sexy over conservative. So, ngayon check natin kasi alam ko tapos na siyang maniyo. And dun sa look, which is with makeup or without makeup, with makeup yung napili nyo. So, ngayon check natin kung anong kinalabasan. Okay? Tara! Hi, Miss Grace!
Hi!
So ngayon, Remember yung challenge natin for a day, control your follower, control your day. So, ang nanalo dun sa conservative or sexy outfit is yung sexy outfit. And dun sa look with or without makeup is with makeup. So ngayon, you can show them.
Okay, this is my... I didn't bring a lot of clothes when I came to the Philippines. So ito lang ang napili kong or nadala ko na sexy. So ito, sexy. Sexy, sexy, sexy. Diba? Ito ang sexy ko. And my makeup, alam mo, simple lang ang makeup ko mga kumarites kasi hindi ako maarte. So yun lang, foundation, eyebrows, and fix my lashes a little bit, and lipstick. Yun lang. Or, okay, eyeliner. Yun lang, napaka-simple kasi first of all, I don't know how to put makeup on. I just do something that's simple. And wala akong time mag-eyeshadow and all that. So ito lang ang makeup ko.
Hey, remember?
What?
Your commodities control your day.
Okay.
No phone for 5 hours.
Okay.
Let me confiscate your phone. Kala mo may challenge tayo ha. Kala mo makalusot ka na ha.
I don't care about it because I can survive 5 hours without a phone. Unlike some people. Let me see real quick. May message ako.
No. No.
Wala pang 1 minute.
Ano natin to?
May mga chismis dyan. I always get chismis. Okay, what can I do?
I keep it into
For
the
5 hours, we have to talk. You guys are gonna have to talk to me the whole time.
I hide it to the vault.
Matulog ka na.
No, it's so overripe now because it's so hot. Ano na? Wow.
Kanina galing yung banana.
Kaya doon sa bahay.
Kinakat ba doon yan?
Yan na yung ginagawa niya. Kaya usap niya yung banana.
So, ano na? You can
Ayan, ganyan na siya. Dahil walang phone kamo. Yan mga kamarites, dahil wala siyang phone, pati yung banana kinausap na.
MJ, can you stop?
Ay! Wala na magawa talaga. Gusto mo magluto na lang tayo bukas ng mga dyan? Yung mga nandito,
MJ, step on it and then ano ka?
No!
Like, you know the cartoon?
Si
Ano ba nangyari yun sa akin?
Ay, kwento mo yan.
Kasi, galit na galit ako kay Erin. So, ito ang ginawa ko. Sabi ko kasi nandun siya sa sabi ko. And nadulas ako kasi
Yung rag.
Yung
Carpet.
was so slippery. So, naganoon talaga ako nagka-cartoon. Actually, ginawa yung people. Yung cartoon, yung...
Oo, sila Donald Duck, sila
Nadulas sila because of the banana. That's what happened to me.
Buti hindi ka na balian.
Napahiya ako kay Erin. Alam mo si Erin, hindi man lang siya tumawa, hindi man lang niya sinabi na, "Are you okay, ma'am?"
Ano sabi lang?
Wala mo na, parang nakaganon lang siya sa akin.
Nagulat lang din siya.
Nagulat siya sa'yo. Ang bilis ng karma ko talaga.
Ay, ba't naman naano ka nun kay Aaron?
Sabi siguro ni Aaron, buti nga.
You know how Erin is.
Ang kulit.
Doon ako na.
Tapos wala ka pang tulog. Galing ka sa work. Ayun. Bali, 2 hours pa lang natatapos natin sa 5 hours no cellphone challenge ng ating kumarites. So, kumusta ang 2 hours na walang cellphone? Ayos naman ba? Kaya pa?
Okay naman. Yeah, I can live without a cell phone for 5 hours.
At dahil dyan, since mag-alas 12 na, tuloy-tuloy na itong challenge mo na without cellphone for 5 hours. Diretso na natin sa lunch, which is sa Carinderia, and then go to the park. Okay? So yun lang, at abangan ninyo ang mga susunod na magaganap.
Bye mga kumartes. See you guys later. Okay mga kumartes, you guys know I had corned beef and rice, so I'm not really hungry. So, anong napili natin ngayon for lunch?
For lunch, inside the UP campus pa rin. Makita mo, Manglares Isawan. Ito yung sikat sa UP campus.
Ano ba ang napili ng mga kumarites natin for lunch?
So for lunch, kailangan pinagpilian doon drive-thru or Carinderia. So dito tayo sa Isawan. Meron din naman dito mga food
Okay.
Anong pwedeng light lunch dyan?
So, siomai lang? 6 pieces.
Wala po kami siomai po eh.
Ito crispy bulaklak, alam mo yan.
Crispy bulaklak.
Yan yung parang chicharon bulaklak. Yan.
Okay, isa ho.
Ano pa?
Yun lang.
65 po.
Ano ito? Crispy bulaklak?
Crispy. Ay, crispy bulaklak yung kaya.
Oo. Hindi naman crispy eh. Parang chewy. Parang gum. I've tasted crispy bulaklak. Well, this one's chewy. Kasi it's ready. Just waiting.
Dapat freshly cooked.
Oo. Yeah, I didn't even wait 1 minute. Ready na.
Ano, di ba?
It's chewy.
Like rubber.
Yun nga sinabi ko. Parang bubblegum.
Okay guys, tapos na yung lunch challenge natin sa Carinderia, which is kay Mang Larry sa one dito sa UP. Since nandito na tayo sa UP campus sa loob, so ang sunod naman natin is yung pastime, which is yung napanalo is yung going to the park instead of malling. So alam niyo naman guys, ngayon samantalahin na natin dito yung mga magagandang park sa loob ng UP campus. Ready ka na ba, Miss Grace?
Of course,
For,
ready.
next challenge?
Yep.
You are born ready.
Yep.
Let's go! So ngayon, ang napili is yung go to the park instead of malling. So, nandito kami ngayon sa UP. And ito yung gagawin niya dito yung challenge niya sa kanya.
Ayan mga kumartas, nandito kami sa UP. It's my first time to ever set foot in a university in the Philippines. And as I said a while ago, this is like the best school for law school. So it's really nice to be here. The environment, the park is really nice. It's super hot, but it's still nice to be here. It's very quiet and you get to see the students here. So it's really nice to be here, you guys. Okay, Aaron, how do you like the place here? Remember, this is a university, remember?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, it's hot, huh?
Yes, it's hot. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, he's excited to see his dad, but we won't drop him off until after dinner. So before we have dinner, we're just here hanging out at the park.
Let's get ready, okay?
Yeah, soon. How many more hours? Pretty soon.
Are you gonna drop me off, Mom?
Yeah.
Alright guys, tapos na natin yung sa park challenge. Ngayon naman is sa dinner. Which is ang nanalo din yung magluluto siya ng dinner sa bahay. So for your dinner, ano yung plan mo? May plan ka na ba na pwede mo lutuin?
I'm gonna try to cook pork belly adobo.
Okay, see you guys later and sana panoorin niyo pa yung next. Ayun, mga kumarites ni Miss Grace, kagagaling lang namin from UP Park. And ngayon, so I think it's time to prepare for dinner. So ngayon, naririnig ko siya sa baba. May mga tumutunog sa kitchen.
Ano ba napili ng mga kumarites natin?
Ang napili is cooking dinner. Lutong bahay, yes.
Tingnan natin,
Lutong bahay.
sir. Tingnan
Ngayon,
natin, sir.
tingnan natin. Kasi sabi niya specialty daw niya yung pork belly adobo. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung anong sitwasyon sa baba. Kung kailangan ba niya ng tulong or kaya-kaya naman yan, I think. Sige, tingnan natin. Ay guys, pasok. Tingnan natin. Oh. Ayan, oh, busy, oh. Dinodorog talaga. Galit na galit, oh. Galit na galit sa galit na galit sa bawang. Parang...
ito para I'm thinking of someone's head.
Guys, joke lang yun ha. Baka sabihin nyo naman. Oo, baka sabihin nyo naman, may mag-react na naman dyan na ano. Tanong ko, bakit white onions? Kasi sa amin dito pa red onions.
It's red?
ginagamit.
Oh.
Pag adobo.
Sabi ng Pinterest.
Ang ginagamit namin to pag ano. Sabi ng Pinterest. Uy, guys! Wala.
Nabubuking!
Guys, takpan nyo na lang yung tenga. Ano ka ba? Ano ka ba? Di ba specialty mo nga ito? Sabihin mo Pinterest. Galing.
Is this enough?
Huwag mo lang isama ha.
Is this enough? I'm the cook. Is this enough?
Ay, iwan ko sa'yo. Ikaw di ba nagluluto?
Patay tayo dyan. Ano ba yan?
This is the four. This is okay.
Alam ko na kung bakit hindi red onions yung ginamit niya. Kasi iiyak yung mata niya. Maluluha yung mata niya. Oo. Okay, matalino tong cook natin ha. Nag-iisip ha.
So I've already again kasi just make sure.
Para malinis. Guys! Guys, kaya pa ba niya? Tingin nyo, matatapos ba ang paglulutong ito ng pork adobo? Comment down below.
Okay guys, come on.
Yes or no?
So the first step is put the pork belly in the pot.
Tapos, without fire?
Wait. Turn it on, my assistant.
Bago naman assistant.
Guys, pwede na pala magluto ng walang fire.
Well, you said it was on a while ago.
Pinatay ko kasi mainit eh.
Wait a minute.
Guys,
Huwag mong gamitin ang cook. Kasi I might lose my concentration. Okay.
tingin ko
and
masayang
then
vlog
put
lang to.
1 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of soy sauce.
Mali po lang nailagay.
And 1/2 cup of vinegar. 2 cups.
Ate, yung kilikili mo lagi.
Sokaw. 1 cup of sokaw.
Tapos ito, black pepper. Yung peppercorn.
Buo.
Yung whatever. I don't know. I just, whatever. I don't measure. I didn't put how many pieces. Okay, that's good. And then, bay leaves. You guys call it here
Dahon ng laurel.
laurel leaves.
Laurel
I don't know
leaves.
why, but in America, it's bay leaves.
Kaya pala hanap na hanap si Kuya ng bay leaves kanina. Kuya, may bay leaves ka? Wala po eh. Ito po yan. Ito, laurel po yan eh. Saan nilalagay din sa adobo yan? Ito ba yun?
Yeah, I just put like, okay, 6 pieces, whatever. Okay, nasan yung ano? Is it on? Yeah, it's on. And you're supposed to cook this for like 45 to an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. Nasan yung cover?
May cover ba yan?
I'll put the onions later because it gets cooked easily.
Wala
Nasan
daw
yung
cover. Wala daw cover.
Paano na yan?
Ewan ko, ikaw nagluluto dyan eh. Wala ka. Tara na, iba na. Oh guys, hintayin na lang natin kung maluluto talaga to kasi wala talagang cover.
Oh
My God, guys.
Hawakan niyo kung gawin mo yun. Pwede na yan. That's good.
Iwan natin.
Baka, that could break.
Kaya ayaw mo nung kakain tayo ng may pinggan. Challenge.
Challenge. Okay, mga kumartes, it's cooking, so we'll come back later. Okay, mga kumartes, the adobo, pork belly adobo is cooked now. So I'm just going to transfer this to another pan. Again, this is not my house, so I don't have all the pans and pots. So I'm going to transfer this to another pot because I'm going to cook the garlic and then transfer the pork belly back into this pot.
Hello, mga kumarites ni Miss Grace. Ayan po. So what's the next step that we need to do?
Cook the garlic. I have to wash it.
Oh, ganyan pala yung sekreto. Kasi kami pag nagkukuk kami is sinalagyan na namin lahat ng onions and garlic. Di ba? Sama-sama na. Pero ito pala iba. So, huwag na mo na hugasan. Hugasan mo pa.
Ano, baka sabihin nila it's dirty.
Ngayon, yan rin naman
Hindi,
yun
sa
eh.
Pilipinas ate, yun yung mas masarap.
Yeah.
Ginanito.
Turn on. Tapos,
So, I'm gonna cook the garlic.
ay ganun pala. Tapos saka palang, tapos ibabalik dito. Wow!
Ano wow? Di ba ganyan?
Wow! Kakaiba! Special nga! Bang.
So, you cook it until it's brown. Not brown, golden.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. I'm gonna get the Kasi naman ako yung isang
Why don't you use mittens or
My God, ang Mainit pala. Kanina pa to eh. Guys, yung rice namin, 2 salang. Kasi baka feeling namin magkukulang talaga to. Kasi di ba pag adobo, maki-rice yan. Masarap yung may sabaw-sabaw na toyo, di ba?
Kailangan may rice.
So, let's see.
Oops, it's burning. It's the pot that's burning, but not the garlic. Okay. Ready to eat. Ayan mga kamatas.
Okay na?
That's my pork belly
Susukan mo na.
adobo. Okay mga kumartes, kain na.
Parang nasa karinderya lang.
Hoy, mga kumartes, tinawag ang luto ko parang nasa karinderya lang daw ang
Hindi, yun.
kinakain namin. Kain na.
Ito yung tindero.
Diwata
Bibi ako yan.
Diwata adobo overload. Uy,
Dali.
perfect ha. Wala sa pangalan.
Ano?
Hindi sa pang honest review, masarap lang.
Alam mo, nandito yung ano.
Dati ko bakit sinasabi nila yung CJ na this is the best pork belly.
Kugot ba ito nila?
Sabi ni CJ, favorite niya daw yun.
Okay, mga kumarites ni Miss Grace. Ngayon, kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner and kakatapos lang din ng Kumarites Control Her Day. So, kumusta naman yung experience mo? Napagod ka ba?
Oh, yeah, marami din. Okay naman, but you know, we got through it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, yung mga ginawa namin. So, mga kumarites, comment down below kung ano pa ang gusto nyong gagawin ko, like, you know, what content I should do. So, that would give me ideas what to do. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Bye, mga kumarites!
See you on next vlog!